Hi, I'd like to introduce you to who I am for a start and my trading system, and share with you why what I'm offering is exceptional value. Let's just quickly run back a couple of weeks here. This is gold. I've been trading since 2002. And I went full-time, transferred everything from the stock markets over to Forex in 2016. And I trade for a living. And what I'm offering is to share my success so that others can enjoy the same opportunity that I have. So what I'm providing is daily trade signals, our TradingView indicators, and my trading strategy. I'm offering daily mentorship videos. The signals are copy friendly, so you can copy them with TS Copier automatically from Telegram to your MT4 or MT5 account. And here's the thing, you can experience this firsthand for 2 weeks completely free with the silver and gold level membership, and a full 30 days completely free with the platinum. And what my members do is use the free trial to obviously generate profits, but they use the profits generated to cover the subscription. For example, with the 30-day trial, it gives you an entire month to absorb the information, the strategy, copying my signals, of course, and generate the profits you need to cover the subscription fee. It's a known fact that probably 95% of signal providers out there blatantly lie about their results. This is why I prefer to provide the free trial, to give you an opportunity to see firsthand what you're getting. So yeah, here's the invite for you to jump on board and give this a trial run at no cost to you. So there's 3 levels. The silver gives you access to our Forex VIP channel, where I'm posting Forex and gold trade signals that can be automatically copied, plus the mentorship and the trading course. The gold level, next level up, gives you all of that, plus the crypto signals, the crypto channel, along with my TradingView indicators. And then the platinum obviously gives you everything from the silver and the gold level membership, but the platinum gives you access to my indices and stock market signals. And we go into advanced trading strategies in the platinum. So guys, look, with that, here's an invite. Jump on board and experience this for yourself. And with that, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you in VIP. Take care.